Express the following mixed fractions as improper fractions. Now we're going to apply what we have learned to convert these mixed fractions into improper fractions. Solution. So for the first part, we are dealing with 15 whole number 1/9. And what we do is we multiply the denominator by the whole number and then add it to the numerator. That is 9 times 15 plus 1/9. Now, what do you get when you multiply 9 into 15? You can quickly do that aside into your counting book or jotter. You have 15 multiplied by 9. And 9 multiplied by 5 will give us what? 45. So you write 5, carry the 4. 9 times 1, 9, plus 4, that is 13. So we have 135 plus 1/9, giving us a final answer of 136/9. Now to the second one. Question 2. We are converting 3 whole number 19/182. And to apply this, also we will go 182 multiplied by 3 plus 19/182. And what does this give us? Let us solve this aside. So we have 182 multiplied by 3. And 3 multiplied by 2 will give you 6. 3 multiplied by 8 will give you 24. You write down 4, carry the 2. 3 multiplied by 1 is 3, plus 2 would give me 5. Therefore, we have 546 plus 19/182. Now, let's add this together. We have 546 plus 19. And what is 9 plus 6? That is 15. 5, carry the 1. 1 plus 4 plus 1 will give us 6, and then 5. So that is at the numerator we have 565/182. So our fraction is 565/182. Thank you.